Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at Quicken Classic Deluxe versus Premier to see which one is better. So as you can see here, I have a list with the Quicken Deluxe and Quicken Premier. We can see that if we take a look at the overview, Quicken Deluxe is for basic personal finance management software for tracking, spending, budgeting, and account management. Now, Quicken Premier advanced version with an additional investment and asset tracking features. Now, primary focus on Quicken Deluxe is budgeting, expense tracking, bill management, and banking. And then we have everything in Deluxe plus advanced investment tracking and analysis. Now, as you can see here, the price, so it's typically $35 to $50 per year if you choose Quicken Deluxe, and it's slightly higher for Quicken Premier. It's set at $50 per year up to $80. So Quicken Deluxe is ideal if you focuses on budgeting, expense tracking, and managing bank accounts without the need for investment tracking. And Quicken Premier is best suited for investors and those with multiple investments account who want detailed portfolio analysis, market data, and capital gains tracking. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.